Is your keyboard driving you crazy with constant beeping? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The first thing you have to do, open Settings. Then go to Accessibility tab on the left side. Scroll down and open Keyboard option. Then Turn of Sticky Keys. Another solution you can try. Click on Windows key plus R to open Run, then type devimgmt.msc, then click Enter. Expand Keyboard Driver. Then right-click on it and click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait until the process is finished and restart your computer and check if the problem is fixed.